Why, hello. My mother's phone exploded. It bloated! And as you can see, it don't turn on. Oh, now it's gonna... I thought I killed the battery. But as you can see, it's exploded. So we're gonna take it apart and replace the battery with this fancy new one I got for like $12 off of eBay. It even came with all the tools. So yeah, I don't think we're gonna need this suction cup, but yeah, it just started acting funny and then it exploded on her. Like, it pretty much dies at 70%. If it ever starts up, I'll show you. So her and I went and got new phones anyways, so I thought I'd at least repair this one since it's out of contract now. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's just get this done and over with. So yeah, I think you're supposed to go like this and then pull a lot until it normally gets to this point. But obviously, we don't have to do that so much. More so, we got to get rid of the glue. I've only ever really taken apart one phone, my Incredible. Well, and I ended up breaking. Well, I never fixed it because it was the charging port. But yeah, from what I can tell, a lot of people are having this problem after one of the recent updates. So. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I don't want to pay somebody to do this, that's for sure, so. Oh. Wasn't slow enough. Well, there goes the resale value. See about ordering a new one of them, I guess. Had to take a break to watch a video to make sure I was doing it right. And I am, just... It's really in there. So this is probably the hardest part. Oh yeah, we gotta remove this too. There. Phone is more plastic than phone now. Oh. Good, it's not the screen cracking. Okay, Hyper Mega Global Net. Well, if you're ever worried if Samsung put your battery in there tightly, you never have to worry about that again. Because it's in there very tightly. Leave some of the glue on. Yeah, you can. Right, so yeah, you can definitely see they're quite a bit different. So now we'll get this one back in there. Obviously put it in with the label facing out. Try to stick it on the glue. And then, still not used to this phone. It's like right in there. That clippy thingy. I'm thinking it would have been easier to get this in there and then put the battery in. What are you doing? Holy. I don't need help right now. No, let's go. Well, I'm not super psyched about putting this back on. I'm just gonna leave it on for now. Just to show that it actually does close. Unlike it used to. I hate these new backs that they made. I really hate that shit. Getting down with the sickness. So as you can see, it is a while later. My beard is much growner. But it does work. It charges well, and I use it quite a bit. I never bothered to fix that because I just really don't care. I was using it to film earlier today for a upcoming video. And that video will be of planting several cherry trees. So be sure to subscribe for that. Help me out on my Patreon if you like. Get your name up on the wall of super awesome people. That's right. And be a super awesome person in my video game. And help me do cool stuff like this. Bye, everybody.